grab a bag of ice and bring it on over, 'cause it won't be long and we won't know sober till we wake up and start again. 'Cause it's way too nice to pass this up. We only got 2 days, so fill your cup. Weather like this only comes around once a year. Well, hurry up, man, 'cause we're getting old. The sun's beating down, but the beer's still cold. Oh, hallelujah, drinking season is here. Well, 1 down, 2 down, 3 turns into 4. I got a little buzz, but damn, man, I need more. Give me a lift, it's just around the corner. You know it won't be long, we won't know sober till we wake up and start again. 'Cause it's way too nice to pass this up. We only got 2 days, so fill your cup. Weather like this only comes around once a year. Well, hurry up, man, 'cause we're getting old. The sun's beating down, but the beer's still cold. Oh, hallelujah, drinking season is here. It's my fun. Well, it's about that time we start the bonfire up. I've had a few, but I still ain't had enough. So grab a guitar and grab your girl and show her it don't matter if you're good, 'cause nobody's sober till we wake up and start again. It's way too nice to pass this up. We only got 2 days, so fill your cup. Weather like this only comes around once a year. Well, hurry up, man, 'cause we're getting old. The sun's gone down and the beer's still cold. Oh, hallelujah, drinking season is here. Well, I said hallelujah, drinking season is here. Yeah. Woo! That's awesome. Thank you. I was hell on wheels, I was bound for nothing. I was always looking for an easy way out. But my old dirt road became a 2-lane situation. It's funny how things change when you ain't looking out. I was pressing my luck in the back of my truck at a drive-in movie theater. She said, I think you're alright, but it won't be tonight. I ain't no cheap first dater. She said, good things don't come easy. Good things don't come easy. I know you want it all, you want it right now. Put in the work, it's gonna work out. But good things don't come easy. I was hard on that Chevy, burning tires every weekend. Every time she'd break down, my old man bailed me out. We were under the hood and it didn't look good. Man, I thought I was meeting my maker. He said, if you're gonna break a lady like that, you better learn how to fix her. And he said, good things don't come easy. Good things don't come easy. I know you want it all and you want it right now. Put in the work and it's gonna work out. But good things don't come easy, no. Well, baby. Good things don't come easy. Good things don't come easy. I know you want it all, you want it right now. Put in the work and it's gonna work out. But good things don't come easy. Good things don't come easy. Good things don't come easy. No, they don't.